In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to create a new composition. So the first way to create a new blank composition, just click on this button, New Composition, and that will open up the composition settings. The next way is to come up to the composition menu, select New Composition, or use the keyboard shortcut Command N on a Mac, Control N on a PC. The third way to create a new blank composition, right below the project panel, you click on this new composition icon that will open up composition settings. Give your composition a name. You can choose one of these preset sizes or put in a custom dimensions here. 1920 by 1080 is fine. We'll keep the frame rate, the same resolution, keep it low. When you're working in After Effects, it'll speed up the workflow. But when you export, you want to change it to full. For the duration, it's currently set to 10 seconds, that's fine. And the background color, this really does not matter. It will not be visible when you export the project. This is only a placeholder color, so just choose a color that you like. And when you're done, you're going to click on OK. That will create a new composition, and now you can just add layers and start building out your project. And you can change the composition settings at any time. All you have to do is come to the composition menu and select composition settings, or remember the keyboard shortcut Control K that will bring you back to composition settings. If you have an Illustrator or Photoshop file and you want to create a new composition from footage, you can click on this button here, navigate to your hard drive, and import them here as new composition from footage. And you can also create a new composition from footage that you've already imported. When you create a new composition from footage, it will take the settings of whatever that footage is. So this is a 1920 by 1080 video. I can just drag it onto the composition window. It will create a new composition. I can also drag it right onto the new composition button here. And I can also just drag it right onto the timeline. And that will create a new composition from that footage. You can see it by the icon there, the composition type. And if I want to check the settings, all I need to do is go to Composition, Composition Settings, or use the keyboard shortcut Control K, and I can see exactly what the settings were from that footage.